And I don't know if she's going to make it. She landed by the tadpole, but I read that if you blow a little bit on them, they might come back. So we'll see. I'm going to do a little blowing here on this bird's head. It's moving a little more. I hope she comes back. Standing up a little. There she goes. Maybe she'll come back here in a minute. Right now she's up on 2 feet. See if she'll come back and make it here. I got the camera upside down, but I can flip that. There she is, a poor little bird. The outside world is dangerous, but you always feel bad, and if you can save something, even for a little bit, that's pretty darn good. She's moving her head around. That's a good sign. Okay, we'll keep watching and see what happens. Stay awake. Don't fall asleep. There you go. You have better and better chance you're moving. Your eyes are open sometimes, but it's pretty harsh. You're getting there. Well, we might have luck. Back on this side, I want to see if she'll look this way. I'm worried about her neck or something, but we're going to find out. Oops. Not much we can do about her neck and all that. I'm worried that something's wrong, but she's hanging so far. She's in a good place. So if she wants to fly, she certainly can. There's a nice little breeze blowing on her. She's moving, keep moving her head. And is up on her feet. At first she's laying over. I kind of lifted her up and she stayed there, so that's good. I don't think she's just I don't think she's gone yet, but she's moving and breathing. There we go. I like the way she moves her head. I hope it's not. That's pretty good. She just lost a couple feathers that I could find, but there she goes. Her eye, is that her eye opening a little better? That's what I'm worried about. Okay, I have a little camera on her too now. In case she flew away, I was leaving her alone, but she's moving her head a lot more and in the other direction, so that's a good sign. I was worried there was a neck injury too, but she's moving her neck around a lot more. She's been in here, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes we've been doing this, but yeah, we're getting better and better. Yeah, there she is. She's really moving her head around. She had opened her eyes a little more than they were. I'm not sure how this bird's eyes look, but I can tell they open sometimes. She's getting more animated. We'll find out. We're getting better and better. So I have another camera going on her the whole time in case she flies off when I'm giving her a break from me bugging her. Maybe she'll want to reach into it. Their eyes open. That's a good sign. That's pretty good. Yeah. You got you to help. Oh, that's, see, her eyes are open.
Yeah. I think she just needs more time.
Yeah.
Is it a baby?
I know, she might be a baby.
Maybe she lost some of her flight feathers.
There's one feather there and 3 feathers here. Not a lot of feathers, but their wings look all right. And she has some tail feathers left. But she hasn't been anxious. I haven't seen her put her wings out yet, but this is the best I've seen her.
I just don't know what to do with her.
She's a handsome little bird. But this is the most animated since the incident. She's moving her head, which is good. I was worried the neck, because it could only look one way for a while. Now it's been going both ways slowly. She has her little bed right there.
Poor thingy.
I think you gave her some energy there. No, she likes you. She doesn't want to get off your finger.
You little guy. Got a little syringe.
Maybe. I thought she might just take water on her own. And she, well, here I must be calling her she too.
Hmm. Ah! Is he my friend now?
Yeah, she likes you a lot.
Well,
Now what do you?
I don't
Poor
know what
thing.
to do.
I don't know. Maybe she has to ride around on your shoulder.
Yeah. Can't do that either.
No, she likes you, baby.
Go get our lunch.
Okay, I'm going to get the lunch.
Okay, Bobo. I'll see you in a few minutes.
Okay.
Which is weird. What's so funny?
It's just that this bird loves you now.
I think he's just, I don't know what to do.
Yeah. Well, maybe put him on the railing, and I'll be back in a minute.
I think he's okay.
If he flew around, he seems pretty good.
Yeah. I mean, he pretty much saved him.
Yeah.
I would like to have him right there, but how we get up there?
Well, you can. All right, he did it himself.
You can try it's a baby.
There you go. It's a baby, we think, and made it, and it's outside, and it flew to that tree. So back to nature. All right. Phew, that was a close call.